If you're looking for a gnocchi dish that just screams fall, you've come to the right place. I'm about to share the best pumpkin gnocchi recipe you'll find this fall. No potatoes needed, just pumpkin, flour, and egg. Trust me when I say your whole family is going to love these. Let's get cooking! To make this pumpkin gnocchi, you'll need 700 g pumpkin, 500 g all-purpose flour plus extra for dusting, 1 egg, salt and nutmeg to taste, 100 g butter, 1 bunch fresh sage leaves, grated Parmesan cheese to taste. Cut 1 pumpkin in half and place the 2 halves cut side down on a baking sheet. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until the rind softens. Remove seeds and separate flesh from rind using a spoon. Puree the flesh with an immersion blender until smooth and allow to cool. Add pumpkin puree to a large bowl and gradually mix in the flour. Add salt, a pinch of nutmeg, the egg and mix until you have a slightly sticky modeling dough. On a floured surface, roll the dough into long ropes about 2 centimeters thick. If the dough is too sticky, frequently dust your hands with a little flour. Cut into 1.5 centimeters pieces to form your pumpkin gnocchi. Lightly dust with flour to prevent sticking. Meanwhile, melt the butter in a pan with sage leaves. Cook the gnocchi in salted boiling water. The gnocchi is done when they float to the surface. Drain them with a slotted spoon directly into the pan with butter and sage. Toss to coat while cooking for 1 minute. Serve on a plate with a generous sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Garnish with a few fresh sage leaves. Enjoy!